How do you get a brand new AC system in Central Texas starting from only $89 per month? At Alltek Services, we make it simple for homeowners across Central Texas. Right now, save big and get a new AC system fully installed starting from only $89 per month. Plus, you can save even more with our low cash price starting from only $6,995. Take advantage of this limited time offer. Click the link below and get a free estimate now. Here's the Alltek difference. We back every installation with a double warranty, a 10-year parts warranty, plus our 1-year labor warranty. No gimmicks, just long-lasting protection from a 4.9 star rated air conditioning and heating company on Google with glowing reviews from local homeowners just like these. Don't wait until your AC stops working on the hottest day this summer. Click the Learn More button below or call us now at 254-679-7364 to schedule your free estimate and lock in your big savings today.